Imagine a farm. Not just any farm, but the world's greatest farm.
Hey guys, it's me, Cheese Nut. Today we're gonna be playing Minecraft. Last time I showed you how to build a well. And this time we're gonna be building a farm. So first we need dirt. Luckily there's already dirt here. So yeah, just find a good spot. I'd recommend putting the farm next to the well, because this is the farm, so you can use water when you're building the farm. So you're going to start off by getting a plow thing. I usually use diamonds because I always find diamonds. We're going to get a section of land, and I don't know why it does that. It just it goes away when I try it and plow it, and it doesn't make any sense to me. And so basically you need food for your villagers or you're gonna starve to death, you know? That's why we farm, because we need food. It just keeps on going away. I don't know why it does that. Okay, I think I'm doing it. So yeah, we're gonna just get enough, and then from here you need some seeds. So yeah, it's kind of hard to make sure that it's always down loud. So you're gonna get some water. Make sure it's not lava because you don't want to accidentally, and just put the water just all over the place. You need a lot of water for a farm in Minecraft. Just remember, like Notch said, when building farms in Minecraft, always use water. Yeah, so this looks nice, doesn't it? Yeah, so you're gonna wanna make sure it's very symmetrical. This is probably the best way to build in Minecraft. Because it's such a good game, you don't want it not to be symmetrical. Okay, and the next part's up to you, so you can choose whatever you want to farm. So for me, I want to. I think I'm gonna do some wheat seeds. Get wheat seeds. It's gonna be a wheat farm, and we just gotta plant. And so because Notch made Minecraft really realistic because he's trying to make life into a video game, so we're basically we're gonna want to make sure to water these plants every day because wheat needs a lot of water grow. So yeah, just do all this, and this is how you build a farm. And so you want to make sure that no villagers can accidentally trample it, because in 1.15 they added the villager trampling feature, so you're going to need some fences. I usually use birch because it's the prettiest fence. And so just put the fence all around the farm so no one can get in. Yeah, just like this. Yeah, just the entire farm. And don't do that. Don't actually do that. That's bad. And you're gonna want to put the gate in a very. Actually, I'm gonna change up woods. So I'm gonna get some acacia because normally acacia looks bad, but right here it'll look good. And put it around. Okay, so there you have it. That's a farm. So I didn't know if you guys knew this in Minecraft, but you actually have to water your crops. That's what I heard from my friend. He told me you needed to water your crops. So after you're done planting it, the way you get them to grow faster is you just gotta dump some water. Maybe this just didn't work. I'll try it over here. Yeah, you just gotta dump. Why isn't it? Why aren't they growing faster? if I just like cover the whole thing in water, it'll grow faster. What? What? Okay, so, that's all the time I have for today. Yeah, just, tune in next week when we build something else. Yeah, so that's how you build a farm in Minecraft, but, don't actually use water. Well, I gotta clean this up. Don't actually use water when you're doing this. What? Don't actually use water when you're building a farm, I guess. That's what I learned today. So you just gotta. Well, why can't I? I can't. Why won't it? Okay, so this is actually how you build a swimming pool. So if you want to build a swimming pool in Minecraft, that's how you do it. Yeah, that's all the time I have for today. But bye, guys. Bye.